Millions of biscuits are made every single day. And today, we're going inside the entire factory, start to finish. The perfect bake every single time. Steam rising from our signature golden recipe. It all starts here, back. Tons of wheat arriving fresh. Ready to be turned into flour. Raw delivery is the first critical step. The grain arrives here, stored in these vast silos before moving into the milling process. The wheat is milled down into fine flour. The base of every single biscuit. The freshly milled flour then cascades into a collection hopper, ready for the final stage of packaging. Finally, the refined flour is transported into these massive storage silos, ready for distribution. Every ingredient is weighed down to the gram, so every batch tastes exactly the same. Accuracy is paramount when dealing with large quantities. We carefully weigh the butter to ensure consistency across every batch. It's mixed into a smooth, even dough and srand.
The foundation of everything that follows.
Now increase the speed to high. The paddle will aggressively fold the dough, creating that essential elasticity.
Resting and laminating the dough. Gives every biscuit its perfect texture.
For the lamination, we'll do a simple book fold. Bring the left side over to the center, brush off any excess flour, and then fold the right side over.
A sensor checks the thickness.
Of every single sheet before it moves on.
As the dough is sheeted, the sensor continuously monitors the thickness in real time, with the green light confirming optimal calibration.
Now it goes through the rotary cutter Biscuits.
And it only gets more satisfying from here.
Tiny holes are pressed into each biscuit. Tungkan is a small detail that keeps the texture just right.
The docking pattern is nearing completion across the entire tray.
A light glaze and topping.
Gives every biscuit its shine before baking.
The seeds adhere perfectly to the egg wash, ensuring a flavorful crunch in every bite.
Every biscuit now enters a tunnel oven. Stretching the length of a football field. As they move deeper into the tunnel, the intense heat begins the caramelization process, ensuring a perfect bake every time. The oven bakes every biscuit.
To a perfect golden brown, low and slow.
As the loaf travels through the mid-tunnel, the intense heat causes the crust to rapidly dry and set. This is when the characteristic fissures begin to form.
A scanner checks the color of every biscuit prime. Too light or too dark, and it's pulled from the line. This stage is complete. Cooling locks in that crisp.
Snappy texture everyone loves.
Some biscuits get one more step K's, a full curtain of melted chocolate. A second cooling pass sets the chocolate to a perfect, snappable finish. After the second cooling stage, we perform a quality check to ensure a perfect set and texture. Every single biscuit in a fraction of a second.
Anything that doesn't meet the standard gets blasted off the line instantly.
A robotic arm stacks the biscuits with pixel-perfect precision, every time. Each stack is sealed airtight in seconds. Every pack gets a batch code and date, so it can be traced from factory to shelf. The packs are cased up and ready for the final leg of the journey. Thousands of packs, perfectly stacked. From here, pallets are stored in a warehouse that holds millions of packs at once. And just like that, the biscuits are on their way to stores everywhere. Every batch is tested in the lab for texture, taste, and consistency before it's approved. Behind every machine is a team, making sure everything runs perfectly every single day, from raw grain to finished pack, in one incredible, non-stop process. Thanks for watching this full journey inside the factory. If you enjoyed it, subscribe and share, and follow for more inside the factory looks.